My name is Eric Anderson. I'm from Everett, Washington. I had a case where in family law and CPS, evidence was withheld about the mother being abusive, her past of being abused as a child and molested, so that they could put everything on me. I haven't lost any rights to my children, but I haven't got any rights to my children. I haven't seen them in 5 years now. I miss them every day. I worry about them, and if they're okay. Their mother took them out of therapy as soon as the dependency was over. They haven't seen a doctor in Washington State since 2008, and they have been removed from this state illegally against the court orders. And the court has completely disregarded every piece of evidence that I have given them, showing that she's been deceptive with them, showing them that she's perjured herself on the stand, withheld evidence so that she could do that, and run away with these kids and basically hurt me by taking them out of my life because she knew it was the last thing she could possibly do, after having the police harass me at my place of business in Redmond with no right and no reason, making it so that I couldn't work with my coworkers because they all viewed me as a child abuser, because the police went down there and told everyone that I worked with that I beat my child when there was no evidence of it whatsoever. I got pulled into the security office when I got to work that night and grilled to find out whether or not I really did it or not, and put me in tears for the rest of my shift for the entire time I had to work at that company that day. This has been one of the hardest things I've ever had to deal with in my life. I was raised to believe that our judicial system was for facts and truth, to bring justice where justice was needed, and I have been completely disillusioned by what I've seen by our judicial system and the people that are involved in our government. The legislators need to make it so that everyone involved in these kind of cases are accountable if they make a mistake, because right now my children are involved in a day-to-day life where not only their mother has abusive history, but so does the guy that she married. And there has been nothing done to even hear the facts that these things are happening, or being allowed to happen by our courts. And our judges are just sitting out there and telling people that, oh, well, this evidence doesn't make any difference, or we're not going to bother to look at it. This needs to change so that the truth and the justice that our country was raised to be, and what it was supposed to be by our constitutional rights, is what it is, and not this farce that we have going on.